Paying monthly on Expedia is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay monthly on Expedia. So for that, as you guys can see, you have to do the same. Now here you have to select the flight. So as you guys can see, it is my recent search. So I'm just gonna go there and then I'm gonna select any of the random flight which I want to book. Now suppose I want to book this one, so I'm gonna click on that and then I'm gonna click on this select. And after that, I'm gonna again select the flight and then I'm gonna click on select. Now, after clicking on that, it should take me to flight details or the checkout. Now, in the checkout, you will easily be so if I click on checkout, you will easily be able to change or pay in the installments. So for that, you simply have to scroll down until you see the option for Klarna. So there should be an option for Klarna right here. As you guys can see, you can either pay using debit or credit card, or you can select Klarna. So you can pay in 3 installments on monthly in Klarna. So you just have to select that, connect your Klarna account, and there you go. You will easily be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.